How to adding bank card to Apple Wallet. Follow the instructions. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone, then tap the plus icon in the top right corner to start adding a new card. Choose credit or debit card as the option, then continue to proceed with adding your bank card details. Hold your iPhone camera over your card to scan it, or select Enter Details manually if you prefer typing. Enter your card details, card number, expiry date, and CVV code, then tap Next to continue the process. Read and accept the terms and conditions shown by Apple and Bank to proceed with adding your card. Choose how to verify, via SMS, email, or Bank app. Complete the verification to confirm card ownership. Once verified, Apple Wallet will notify you that your bank card is successfully added for use. Your card is now ready in Wallet. Set it as default if desired, and start using Apple Pay for purchases. Thank you for watching.